I was born here at Dasbabayan. So, nung baby ako, alam ko maraming gusto mag-alaga, gusto kong pisil-pisilin, and time will come. Nakikita ko na yung estado ng buhay namin and kung gaano kami kahirap noon at ngayon. So, alam mo, kaya single ako kasi gusto kong makita talaga yung bahay namin na maraming ilaw, maganda yung bahay, may magandang kwento, and punong-puno ng hope to change, to grow, to live in the fullest. Kasi isa yung bahay namin kung bakit ako naging single. Kasi gusto ko yung future husband ko, tanggap yung bahay namin, tanggap yung family history ko, tanggap kung ano man yung imperfections ko sa life. Kasi nobody's perfect. Lahat tayo may mga mistakes and create something different in your life. Maybe si Lord talaga gagawa ng way to change yourself. Yan lang. Thank you.